Thanks, Chris. Olympic sprint hurdles bronze medalist Megan Tepper is on the move to another training base after a grade 1 hamstring strain ruled her out of the World Championships in Tokyo last month. Tepper confirmed with TVJ Sports on Friday that she will now be working with Lonnie Green, who is the head coach at the University of Kentucky, ahead of the 2026 season. This comes after 3 seasons with Ronaldo Walcott at Elite Performance Track Club. The diminutive hurdler lowered her personal best from 12.51 seconds in 2022 to 12.34 seconds while winning her 4th national championship title in June.